Hey everyone, this is Joy of Joy Morris Beauty, and I have a big announcement, so stay tuned. Hey, so those of you all who've been following me for a long time know that I practiced as a professional makeup artist for about 10 years, working with many brides, TV shows, and editorial shoots. And I developed a love and a passion for makeup at that time. It's been an incredible journey. On top of that, I've actually been a YouTube creator for about 10 years now. Fun fact, I actually posted my very first product review in July of 2014. That was over 10 years ago. And now I'm very blessed to have almost 3,900 of you that have subscribed to my channel on YouTube, and I couldn't be more grateful for your support. As you all know, I did get pregnant a few years ago. I was blessed to get pregnant with my beautiful baby girl, Hope, and she's been such a blessing for our family. And so I did slow down my video and content creation around 2021 to focus more on my daughter and just kind of getting her established in the world. But now I'm ready to step things back up and to bring you even more exciting beauty and sister locks content. So here's the exciting part. I am rebranding my channel. My new focus will be on Luxe Beauty on a budget. We're going to be mixing luxury beauty products with drugstore finds. I want to show you how to get that high-end look without spending a fortune. And sometimes we are going to splurge, but when we do, you're going to know and be able to trust that it's worth it. And for all of my hair followers, you know that I have shared a long journey on this channel, from my initial relaxer damage to me growing out my hair and getting the big chop, to getting my sister locks, to my postpartum shedding and being diagnosed with alopecia CCCA, to being where I am now with a 3.5-year-old sister locks. We've been on quite a journey together. So please know that I'm excited to continue to share sister locks tips and tips related to my alopecia as part of this channel rebrand. So stay tuned for more product tutorials, reviews, a little bit of lifestyle content sprinkled in there. Under the umbrella of makeup and sister locks, we're going to have a great time together. I'm so excited for this next chapter, and I can't wait to share it with you. Thanks always so much for your support. Take care.